children. Today we are going to start with second question of case study, that is from chapter Chemical Reactions and Equations, from topic Redox Reaction. Here is the paragraph. The reaction between MnO2 with HCl is depicted in the following diagram. It was observed that a gas with bleaching abilities was released. This is first question. The chemical reaction between MnO2 and HCl is an example of. Let's understand reaction first of all. What is happening here? First of all, we are having MnO2. It reacts with HCl to form MnCl2 plus chlorine plus water. Let's balance this equation. Now this is balanced. We have to find oxidation state of manganese in MnO2. Let's find it. In MnO2, we know that oxidation state of oxygen is -2. Let's assume oxidation state of manganese as X. So it is 2 into -2 for oxygen. It is equal to 0. So X is coming to be 4. Oxidation state of manganese is +4. In MnCl2, we know that oxidation state of chlorine is -1. Oxidation state of manganese is X. So manganese here is having oxidation state of +2. So what we can say, manganese is changing its oxidation state from +1 to +2. That is by gain of 2 electrons per atom. Gain of 2 electrons per atom means it is acting as here oxidizing agent. Chlorine here is having oxidation state -1 in HCl because hydrogen is +1, and chlorine in elemental form in Cl2 is having oxidation state of 0. So from -1 to 0. From -1 to 0, it is changing its oxidation state. So we can say chlorine is losing 1 electron per atom. So it is acting as reducing agent. A reaction in which both reduction and oxidation taking place simultaneously is called redox reaction. So this is example of redox reaction. Option C is right answer. Let's move to second question. Chlorine gas reacts with dash to form bleaching powder. We need to understand what happens here. We are having chlorine gas. It reacts with calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. When it reacts with calcium hydroxide, it forms CaOCl2. It's calcium oxychloride. Along with water, H2O. Calcium oxychloride is formula of bleaching powder. So right answer is calcium hydroxide. Third question, identify the correct statement from the following. MnO2 is getting reduced, whereas HCl is getting oxidized. As we have seen, Previously, when we have written equation that MnO2 is changing its oxidation state from +4 to +2 by gain of 2 electrons. So it is getting reduced itself. And so it is acting as oxidizing agent. And HCl is changing its oxidation state from -1 to 0. So we can say from -1 to 0 is by loss of electron. So it is getting oxidized. In the above discussed reaction, what is nature of MnO2? Manganese oxide, that is metal oxide. Metal oxide is basic in nature. What will happen if we take dry HCl gas instead of aqueous solution of HCl? There would be no reaction because we know HCl can be broken up into ions in aqueous medium only. Without aqueous medium, it will not react. Thank you, children.